Hey everyone, how's it going? So I know it's been taking me a long time to get back into all of the Design Your Own Titan projects, but I want to finally show you guys a new one. Now, this one is done by one of our followers named Zeke, and he has created this really cool Titan called Scrappin. It's very cool, it kind of looks like a giant scorpion, and I can't wait to go ahead and draw this for you guys and see what my version of it would look like. So hope you guys follow this video and check it out. Now this is Scrapin. Scrappin comes from one of our followers, Zeke, and Scrappin is really cool. He kind of looks like a giant scorpion. He is over 205 feet tall and he weighs over 20,000 tons. And he's a really cool looking character, so I can't wait to give it a shot to try and draw him. Now, when I was drawing Scrappin, I wanted to really include that kind of insect, scorpion type feel to him. So I wanted to kind of give him a lot of armor, a lot of plates and everything. I really liked how he had all of these arms on him. He had two small arms in front and then these two really big arms on the side of him. Ones that could be used for either fighting, protection, or whatever. Almost kind of like a Muto style. I also really like these two big spikes that he had coming down here, kind of like something that he could hold his prey or his victims with. I wanted to give him these great big legs on here. The original drawing, he had some really tall legs. I didn't go quite as tall with the legs because I wanted him to be a little bit more compact, make him a little bit sturdier, and kind of keep him closer to the ground. I wanted to come in here and add some extra little line work and details just to make him look a little bit more realistic. So I kind of went in with a lot of broken lines, added some texture in here, and wanted to give him just a few more little random details all over the place just to make him look more realistic. Overall, I think he turned out pretty good. He has a really kind of tough look to him. He looks like a character that, would be very tough to mess with and you wouldn't want to mess around with. When it came to coloring, I wanted to go with some more natural earthy tones. So I went with a lot of browns and tans and even some golds in there. I wanted to give him a little bit of a shine on there. I always try to keep the same color patterns as the original creations. And in this one, he had some reds on there for his spikes, and he also had these big greens on his legs. So everything's pretty natural colors in here. I went with some brighter yellows on the bottom just to make it stand out a little bit. To finish off the drawing, I came in with some darker colors just to add some shading and show some different areas on here. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good. I had a lot of fun with this. Compared to the original, I thought it turned out pretty good. The legs are not quite as long, but I did have a lot of fun. I think it looks pretty good. He definitely looks like a really tough Titan that you would not want to mess with. He almost looks a little bit more evil in my drawing than he did in the original. But overall, this was definitely a fun drawing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. So there you go, guys. There is Scrappin. I think it turned out really cool. I really like all the different designs on there. I had a lot of fun with this one. I think it turned out overall like a pretty good new Titan drawing. Now, I want you guys to go ahead and keep sending me all of your Titan drawings. I've got a lot more that I've made that I need to start publishing, but I want to do a lot more of these as well. Make sure you guys are sending me your different drawings, and I'll try my best to turn them into some new Godzilla-themed Titans. Now, make sure if you guys are liking these videos, you hit the subscribe button so you can follow along and always find out when I'm posting new videos. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.